Beats by Nibs.
Hey everyone, Joffrey here and welcome back to my channel. Today we have another exciting foldable product to review, the Oppo Find N3 Flip, a new foldable smartphone that aims to challenge the likes of Samsung and Motorola in this niche market. But the question is this the best flip phone you can buy right now? Let's find it out. But before that, if you are new here in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get it started. The Oppo Find N3 Flip is a successor to the Find N2 Flip, which was launched earlier this year. It has a similar design and form factor with a 6.8-inch foldable LTPO AMOLED main display and a 3.26-inch AMOLED cover display. The main display has a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and a resolution of 1080 by 2520 pixels with 16,000 nits peak of brightness. The cover display has a resolution of 720 by 382 pixels with 900 nits peak brightness and can show notifications, time, date, battery level, live wallpapers, watching YouTube. It can also open normal applications that can use as a full screen as well. Both displays are protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, but unfortunately, the phone only has an IPX4 rating for splash resistant, unlike the other Samsung Flip 5. The phone is made of glass and aluminum, and it feels premium and sturdy in the hand. It has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner integrated with a power button and a volume rocker at the right, a stereo speaker, a USB-C port, microphone, and a dual SIM tray at the bottom. It does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack or wireless charging support, which are some drawbacks for a flagship device. The phone is lightweight and very compact, weighing 198 grams and measures 7.8mm thick when unfolded and 16.5mm thick when folded. It is available in two colors here in Dubai, which are the cream gold and sleek black. Now, let's talk about the performance. The Oppo Find N3 Flip is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9200, a 4nm chipset with the clock speed of octa-core 3.05 GHz, which is a flagship processor that can handle any task you throw at it. It has 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and either 256GB or 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage. The performance is smooth and fast, and the phone can run any games or application without any lag or stutter. The phone also supports 5G, Wi-Fi 7, 5.3 Bluetooth, NFC, and GPS support. Speaking of the performance, the battery capacity of the Oppo Find N3 Flip is 4300 mAh, which is a decent for a foldable phone. It can last for a full day of moderate use, and it supports 44 watts Super VOOC fast wired charging, which can charge the phone from 0 to 50% in just 23 minutes. However, it does not support wireless charging or reverse wireless charging, which are features that some of its competitors offer. Now, moving on to the most crucial part of a smartphone, the camera. The camera department is where the Oppo Find N3 Flip shines. It has a triple camera setup on the back, consisting of a 50MP main camera, a 32MP telephoto camera, and a 48MP ultra-wide camera. The main camera has multi-directional face detection autofocus with OIS and a large 1/1.56-inch sensor. It can capture stunning photos with great detail, dynamic range, and color accuracy. The telephoto camera has 2x optical zoom and face detection autofocus, and it can produce sharp and clear zoomed-in shots. The ultra-wide camera has a 114-degree field of view and autofocus as well, and it can also take macro shots at a minimum distance of 40 cm. The phone also has a partnership with Hasselblad, a renowned camera brand, to enhance the camera experience and image quality. The front camera of the Oppo Find N3 Flip is a 32MP shooter, and it can take decent selfies and videos. However, since the phone can be folded, you can also use the rear cameras for selfies and use the cover display as a viewfinder. This way, you can take advantage of the higher resolution and quality of the rear cameras and also use the telephoto and ultra-wide lenses for different perspective. The video recording capabilities of the Oppo Find N3 Flip are also impressive. It can record 4K videos at 30 frames per second and 1080p videos at up to 240 frames per second. It also has EIS and OIS for stabilization and a movie mode for cinematic effects. Lastly, the Oppo Find N3 Flip runs on Android 13 with ColorOS 13.2 on top. ColorOS is a customized skin that adds some features and tweaks to the stock Android experience. It has a dark mode, an always-on display, a smart sidebar, a game space, a private safe, a clone phone, and more. It also has some gestures and shortcuts for the foldable phone, such as double tapping the cover screen to wake it up, swiping on the cover screen to access some applications, and flipping the phone to switch between the main and cover screens. The software is smooth and responsive, and it also receives regular updates and security patches. Now finally, here is my final verdict. The Oppo Find N3 Flip is a great foldable phone that offers a lot of value for its price. It has a beautiful and durable design, a large and smooth main display, a powerful performance, a long-lasting battery, and an amazing camera system. It also has a unique cover screen that adds some functionality and convenience, with the price tag of 3,999 dirhams here in Dubai. However, it also has some drawbacks, such as lack of wireless charging, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and an IP rating for water and dust resistant. It also faces some tough competition from the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra, which have some advantage over the Oppo Find N3 Flip in terms of design, display, and features. Alright guys, that's our full review of the latest Oppo Find N3 Flip. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.